showing you guys 10 of my favorite fidgets. So here we go. First one. This is a basketball, but it's a squishy basketball. You can squish it with your hands. You can throw it up in the air all you want. And yeah, this is a cool fidget. You can squish it. This is a spiky ball. So you can like play with it with your hands. You can feel all the spikes. And it's really cool to play with. And you can move it around in your hands while you're working. Or if you have trouble focusing on something, you can have something in your hands to fidget. Or if it's stressed out, yeah, then you can use a fidget too and feel the spikes. So this is actually not a fidget, but I use it as a fidget because my school used it as a fidget. So it's a fidget. So I call it a fidget, so it's a fidget. It's basically, you can get at the store, the dishwashing side, and I don't know what it's called, but I'm going to show you right here. Boop! Should be already there. So, what you can do, you can like move it around. It really feels really good in your hands. Feels amazing. And you can just move your hands around and feel how satisfying it is. So yeah, I love this one because this feels good in my hands. Next, yeah, I threw it. But next is the Fidget Cube. And yes, I still play with a Fidget Cube. And some of you guys probably play with a Fidget Cube too. So you know how it has like a switch. Has like the gear where you can like move it up. Has like the ball where you can like move it around. And little clicks. Has different clickings. And this, you can like steer it around. Like this, and then this, it's like a video game piece, but like that, you can like move it, and yeah, and it's SpiderMan, so yeah. Next, this is a banana, and it has sand in it, so you can squish it like this, you can pull it to a point where it's like that, or you can like just do this, like pull it, stretch it, and then you can put it back together, because it stays the form that you put it in by like keeping it the other form, but it's a good fidget. You can use it, even though it might be distracting. You can find ways to not find it distracting, but I love this because it's rubbery and squishy and stretchy, and it's a good fidget. Next. I said next. You still have me at the same fidget. Come on, come on, come on. I said next. Camera. Okay, I'm gonna go to sleep. Ooh, you scared me. So, this is an infinity cube. You can do that, move it, and you can keep on doing it non-stop. It's a really good fidget to use because while you're in class, you're just here on the table just fidgeting with it, moving it over and over while you're doing your work. Or if you just want to play with it, then that's good too. Next, hey, you recorded me not there. I'm invisible. Ooh. How did I get here? I don't know how I got here, but this is a fidget spinner. It's a SpiderMan fidget spinner. So I know that people don't really use this that much, but some people still do. It's really good. You can just spin it around. Ooh, almost fell. But yeah, you can just spin it around, and it's really fun to play with, or to fidget with in class, so you can focus. So yeah, Spider-Man. I think I got him. Let me check. I'm gonna check. Yep, I got him, guys. I got him. This is a poppet. So you know, like those packaging, and it comes with bubble wrap, and you can pop them. Now they made a poppet where you can just pop it and stuff. Pop it like this, and then you can do it again. Here goes more pops. So they made this because you can redo it. Bubble wrap, you can only do it one time. So this is what I like about that. You can keep doing it over and over. This is magnetic putty. This is the magnet to it. So I'm going to be taking it out so I can show you guys. Stretch it. Oh, it's nice. Squish it. This is a nice fidget because you can stretch it and stuff. You can break it into 2 parts. Boom. And have both of your hands to do something. So it really has your hand working. You can do it in class, or at work, or just to play with. It's a good toy. I mean, a fidget toy. A fidget. This is a tangled fidget, I think. Whatever it's called, I think. A tingle wire fidget thing. I don't know what it's called, but you guys can tell me on my Instagram. I'm gonna have the description below. I have it all set up and stuff. So go check it out. It's cool_entertainment. So you can move it around, twist it and stuff. Twist. It's a tangled. So like it gets tangled up and you can just like twist it. It's really cool. Really, really cool. And this is new. I got it actually last weekend. So this is my favorite out of all of them, sort of, because it's so satisfying. Boop. So I hope you liked the video of 10 of my favorite fidgets, and tell me what's your favorite fidgets in the description below my Instagram. I'm gonna have a photo of the video, of this video, and you can tell me your favorite fidget in the comment. And maybe I'll show you in my next video when I have a second fidget video. So, yes. I'm gonna keep going because I showed you guys all my fidgets, and I'm glad that you watched the whole video. So I'll see you guys next time, and I love you guys. Bye!